Yes, people, so this is it. Gotcha. This is how deep the snow is, people. Gotcha. Thing crazy out here. Crazy out here, my people. There's a snowstorm going on right now. But I still have to get to my vehicle to get something, because I didn't know that it was gonna snow all day. Even though them tell me, but they did not show themselves. So I leave stuff in the car, so I'm trying to get to my car now, people. So this is it. Okay. Alright, so this is my car, see there? I don't know I'm gonna get in it, see it? And you know, I'm gonna push some of it off of the thing there. Access on, because it's soft now, so it can come off easy now. So I get a towel and box off some of it. People, watch out. Yeah, so I'm supposed to get in a car now. Look on the mirror, look how high the snow is. Alright, I'm going to bounce off, use this so, and bounce off some of the ice. See it? Yeah. See it now? Yes, my people. Alright, so. Oh, yeah, watch out. It's crazy. Finally get inside. Up on the glass, nothing I can see. Start the engine. Turn on the heater. So, I use this to scrape off some of the snow.